Alright, I just got done doing some bulldozing on a new contract, building a new home. They've already moved in, so I had to wait till after 8 o'clock to start, so I got an hour in. So now I'm going to head to Jackson Beach, which is only a couple of minutes from here, and take a break and come back, and then I got to take the roller, the steamroller, and pressure flatten out the soil. It's wet, so I got to compact it really well. This is a $2,500 contract. I start at 8 o'clock in the morning. I'll be done by 10:30, so 2.5 hours. So it's quick money. Shouldn't have got up so early. I got up at 3:30 this morning. Just kind of, let's just say, I'm groggy. But go Jackson Beach, have a cup of coffee, a cigarette, and just relax. Just a couple minutes away, so. Hope everybody's doing good today. Hope everybody's smiling, happy. Hope everybody's feeling okay. There seems to be a flu or something going around. But regardless of the situation, as I've said in many videos, and I say in this one as well, be kind to each other, be kind to yourself. Let bygones be bygones. Don't hold grudges if you can. And live a good life. That's what we all need to do. We all need to set our damn differences aside and just get back to living. Because if we're not living, we're dying. And that's the only way I can put it. But anyways, hope everybody has a good morning. So I'll keep my mouth shut from this point on till we get to Jackson Beach. Be safe, everybody. Be kind to each other and to yourself. Beautiful view. I got something better. There. That's a beautiful view. All right, coffee time, smoke time. It is 9:23 a.m. Sunday, June 29th, 2025. This is Herman, Maine, Jackson Beach Boat Landing. That's the pier. Be kind to each other, be kind to yourselves, and no matter what you do, try to put a smile on. Love you all. Bye.